What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be putting an engine stand together. I just bought one from Harbor Freight. We got that 1,000-pound capacity one. We're going to be putting that engine right there. Hopefully, it's kind of hard to see, but that engine right there, that hopefully we're going to be taking apart, seeing if it's good, maybe rebuilding it, and then putting it on the Mazda, because the one I have right now, it's a little iffy, has its issues. But we're going to be building that up today and hopefully seeing how good it is. Harbor Freight has a lot of good stuff, but then also a lot of really cheap stuff that it's one-time using and that's it. For Brian's truck and a couple other updates on my truck too, we're going to be doing the door panels on it. I don't like the way they did them before. Just kind of put them on there with wood screws, which just looks awful. They're just kind of coming off, you know, that's just not the good way to go about it. So I got a rivet nut gun right here that we're gonna be doing it the right way, put some nuts in there, and then we're gonna be adding the Password GDM dress up kit that I got, which will make the interior look just a lot better. Then also for Brian's truck, the Hardbody, he's trying to go a little bit cheap with some of the parts. We're just gonna find out if we can get some good quality cheap parts. So we got this steering wheel hub and quick release that we're gonna be installing on his tomorrow probably when he comes by. And we're gonna compare them. I have the NRG quick release and steering wheel hub. We can compare both of them, see how good the quality is on them, and then see if it's worth spending the extra money and getting the NRG, or if you can get by and get one of those little cheap ones, which quite honestly, that silver hub looks pretty sweet. I do think this is probably worth the money. It looks pretty solid. It looks like solid aluminum, so we'll find out if it's good. But we'll do that tomorrow. Today we're just gonna put this together and let's get going. Let me go. All right, we're all changed up, so let's get ready to build this thing. Let's do it. So we have all the pieces out of the box now. As you can see here, you got your main beam. Then we're gonna have the one that has the wheels, the other one in the middle, this one, and then this is gonna be the small one for the front. I'm sorry. And then we have all the other pieces. We have our manual. We're gonna read it real quick, and then we're gonna put it all together. Alright, so I got the frame kind of set up a little bit already, and don't be like me when you're setting this up and put this beam upside down, how to take it off, because I put it with the holes looking up and I didn't realize it, so just be careful of that. But otherwise it's coming along pretty good. I'm gonna now get the wrench to tighten these bolts up, and then we'll put the rest of the stuff up, so let's do it. There you have it, guys. We have it all done. Now we put everything ready for the engine up here. Everything's bolted on and tightened up. We basically just need to get the engine ready for mount, and we should be good to go. It looks pretty solid so far. My floor is a little bit uneven, so it kind of floats right here, as you can see that. But it should be okay once we get the engine in there. It should be pretty solid. So we'll get the engine prep later, and then we'll put it on, and then hopefully we'll see you guys later. All right.